Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to write a fantastic narrative story step by step.
Whoa!
We'll include a hook, an introductory sentence, and lots of cool details. Ready to dive in?
Yeah!
Let's go! First, let's talk about the hook.
Whoa!
A hook is a fun opening sentence that grabs the reader's attention.
Whoa!
It could be a surprising fact, a question, or an exciting statement. For example, did you ever wonder what it would be like to swim with dolphins? That makes you curious, right? To create your own hook, think about what you want to write about. Ask yourself, what's exciting or interesting about my story? Try writing your hook down. Remember, it should make people want to read more. Great job on your hooks. Now, after your hook, you need to write an introductory sentence. This is where you introduce your main character and setting. Here's how to write it. Step 1. Introduce your main character. For example, in a sunny beach town, there lived a girl named Mia who dreamed of becoming a marine biologist. Step 2. Give a little background. Think about what your character wants or what makes them special. You might say, every day after school, Mia would run to the beach to watch the dolphins play. This sentence connects back to your hook by giving more context. Now that we have our hook and introductory sentence, let's add some details to make the story interesting. This part is called elaboration. Here's how to elaborate. Step 1. Ask yourself questions. What happens next? How does the character feel? Who do they meet? Step 2. Add action and feelings. For example, one bright afternoon, while Mia was collecting seashells, she spotted a group of dolphins jumping in the waves. Her heart raced with excitement. Step 3. Use descriptive words. Instead of just saying the dolphin, you could say the playful dolphin leaped out of the sparkling blue water. This makes your story feel alive. Let's put it all together. Here's what we have so far. Hook. Did you ever wonder what it would be like to swim with dolphins? Introductory sentence. In a sunny beach town, there lived a girl named Mia who dreamed of becoming a marine biologist. Elaboration. One bright afternoon, while Mia was collecting seashells, she spotted a group of dolphins jumping in the waves. Her heart raced with excitement. Now we have an engaging start to our story.
Amazing!
Now it's your turn. Think of your own hook, write your introductory sentence, and add some fun details. Remember to use your imagination. You can share your story in the comments. We would love to read it.
Amazing!
Fantastic work today, young writers. With a great hook, an interesting introductory sentence, and exciting elaborations, you can create wonderful narratives. Keep practicing, and you'll become story masters in no time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun writing tips. Have a great day and happy writing. See you next time. Bye for now.